Alright, Buster, I think this has been a long enough bath, so you should get out now. Oh man, but I like baths. Oh, dang it. Here's my bath towel. Hey, Buster, why don't you dry off on the couch? Yeah. This blanket. Sit right there, Buster. Don't let cover your face, please. Oh, Ma, help me. What the heck? Alright, there you go. That'll be good enough. You know, maybe I'll just hang around a bit and watch TV with you. Dang it. More dishes again. I can't believe Frank makes me do this. Just ignore it and get started with your dishes, Wario. Alright, maybe I should see what Chef's doing. Chef, oh, I... What the... I did not mean to scare you, Chef. Hey, you almost made me fall and get a concussion in my head. I did not mean to scare you. What do you want? What are you doing? I'm doing my depression ritual. The depression ritual? What the heck is that? My depression ritual, because, you know what? Maybe I should, ow! Show you something? What are you gonna show me? Not good news. The microwave. It says time here, but nothing works on it. See? The buttons, like, oh wait. Cancel, start, pause, power, set clock. Timer on, off. It doesn't work. These buttons, they won't work either. So, as you can see, the microwave's broken. Broken microwave, eh? Well, Chef, I don't have time to deal with this. I have dishes to do. Well, Wario, it'd be great if you could fix my microwave. Your microwave, this is probably gonna be complicated to fix. Well, too bad. Besides, I'd rather be cleaning than trying to fix a microwave. They're complicated. So, if you need me, I'll be doing dishes like Frank asked me to. Alright. Dang it. Hope they don't dump it. Going back to my depression ritual. Oh, man. Oh. Dang it, Luigi. Oh, dang it. Buster is drying off here. Come on, I'll try. Oh, really? Hang on. Oh! I'll take your towel for you. I'll put it by the bathtub. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, it's dry. Luigi, why did you do that? I just wanted to get on the couch. We'll find a much better way to get on the couch. I'm just hungry right now. Where the heck is Chef? Wario, have you seen Chef around? You haven't even started yet? Are you serious? I haven't even started yet. I need my break, so I'm taking my station so that you don't notice. Whatever. Where's Chef? Oh, he's in the corner over there, staring out the window. He calls that his depression ritual. Oh my god. What's going on? Chef, what's going on? Tell me what's going on. Frank, the microwave is broken. Not again. First time we had to get it replaced. Now this is worse. We can't have another replacement. Well, what are we gonna do? I have the perfect idea. Please come back to your station and I'll get you set up right away, alright? a little to the left. Finally. Oh, I was hanging off the edge. Alright, Chef. Finally got the spare microwave back in. Have to use gotta use this one again. This one's broken. Spare microwave. I'll suppose that'll do. Alright, while that's going on, I'll just call someone over and see if they'll fix the microwave or something. You sure it's gonna work? Yeah, I'm sure about that. I don't think so. Well, I'm just gonna try anyways. See what happens. Oh, man. Let's see, well, finally made it to the office again. Are you serious? Hello, who is it? And thank you for calling our microwave repair service. What can I do for you today? Excuse me, sir. I have a broken microwave. Broken microwave? Yep, broken microwave. Sure, I'll be over to fix it. Regretfully. But goodbye. And I'll be over. I hate these people. Well, that was fast. Alright, let me hang up. It's not how you properly hang up, you just tossed it. Well, people have different methods of hanging up. That's mine. Alright, sir, I'm here about the broken microwave. What the heck? How'd you get inside my house without even knocking or ringing the doorbell? Oh, I just used the attic and the ventilation system. That's how I get into all houses because, you know, I'm not that type of person to try going through the front entrance. Wait, well, you know, if you do that, it's going to be reducing your pay in half because people, you know, think you're trying to steal something or this is a scam, so you're going to get reduced pay for doing that. Anyways, here's the microwave. Well, stay put right here, sir. Wait. What about this? Oh, that's just a temporary setup. Alright, so I'm going to take a look at the model number. Where's the model number? Can't say I've worked with this one before, but I'll try and figure out what's wrong. Alright, so let me just try pressing a few buttons. They don't work. Oh, come on. Well, since I get into the control panel, that's all. Maybe it's just being stubborn. Oh, let's go open this. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh! What the heck? Oh, God! Oh, my goodness. Oh! Alright, just gonna put it back on now. I never seen people do it that brutally. Oh my goodness. Hey, how'd you get over here? Brutal microwave repair. What the hell? Oh, get off me. Brutal microwave repairs. Never seen him do it before. Alright, I think that should do it. So, yep, should be fixed now. And I can bid you, do. Ah! Chef, you can get off the ground now. Oh, ow. I like you here, but whatever. Alright, now that that's over, please cook me something. Oh, what do you want? Let's make it simple. Give me like some sort of chocolate snack or something. I'll be waiting right here. Chocolate snack. Ooh. Alright. Chocolate snack. Oh. Here's your chocolate snack. Really, one chocolate egg. Welp. That's what you wanted. Well, I guess so. Guess that'll do. Alright, now I can go back to watching TV. Oh! And you don't even care? Nope.